Well everybody, here it is, the 1996 12 valve we call the second gen Longhorn. This truck plus $5,000 cash could be yours. So head on over to lmpgear.com because every $5 is 10 entries to win, but that deal ends January 26th at midnight. So click the link above or below and get entered today. This giveaway will be gone before you know it. Let's get this old girl fired up. It's a cold January day, and I like to start in neutral, clutch in, and just kind of touch the throttle, just a little bit of pressure. Just keep a little bit of pressure until it warms up to hold 550 to 650 RPM on its own. Also, yesterday we got new wiper blades for the truck. Just look at this interior, guys. Man. So beautiful. What is up everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Loud and Proud. So as you saw in the intro here, yes, this is the new giveaway truck. If you guys are going to want to get in to get your double entries, I believe it might not be tomorrow, but it is the 26th at midnight. Double entries end, and this is our best deal of the entire giveaway. There's not going to be any entry period that's better than the one that we have right now. So if you guys want to maximize on your opportunity to win this truck plus $5,000 cash, I wouldn't waste any time. Also, so for the previous giveaway, I first want to say a massive thank you to everybody who entered, because yes, that giveaway is gone and done. However, we do not yet have a winner. The winner is usually always drawn approximately 1 week after the last day of the giveaway. So it ended on the 21st, so we should have a winner 1 week from the 21st, roughly, give or take a couple days. So anyways guys, stay tuned, stay patient. There's not a winner drawn yet. I don't know who it is. The agency hasn't gotten back with us yet. They usually wait about 1 week after the closing date, and then they draw a winner, and then they notify me of who that winner is after talking to them and having them, you know, sign an affidavit and all that stuff. So anyways, hopefully we have a winner early next week and you guys know exactly who won a truck of their choice between the 96 12 valve we call Frosty or the 2015 6.7 Cummins we call Big Blue. Stay tuned for the video. We got a handful of things we're going to be getting done today, and I think you guys are going to like it. First thing that we got to do today is not something that I'm excited to do, but we have to go title and register this truck, because since I bought it, it's pretty much been, you know, in a paint booth or in a shop with no seat in it, or, you know, lots of different things. So we're gonna go get this truck, take it over to get it titled and registered, and that way that is all done and dealt with, so that whenever the winner for this truck is chosen, they have a nice new clean title in hand to take home with them. Here in the shop now with the second gen Longhorn project, we've got a couple of things that we got to get done on this truck today that I just kind of like to get done. It's not like crucial, oh my goodness, now or never type of things, but just things that I'd like to do just because it'll kind of make the interior of the truck feel a little bit better. Also a little bit for the exterior. So if you look at the exterior on the rear here, we've got a factory third brake light. So we've got something here to fix that little dilemma. And let me show you what we got here. It's very simple, but a very good and tasteful light, which will match the rear. So that's what we got. We're gonna put that in the back there. So I'm gonna put this back in here so I don't lose it or drop it or something like that. And then also when it comes to the interior, I know you guys really like the brown saddle leather seats, right? And the steering wheel cover, I liked it when I first did it just because I was trying to test and see if I liked the color in this truck, which I do. However, I don't love the fact that I did this myself in that it just looks a little bit janky right here. And right there, and I just don't love that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take this off. I know, I'm gonna take this off and put just a black and red that kind of matches this, like steering wheel cover in here, just to kind of tie into the black bezel on the dash and the black carpet, but just to have a temporary solution in the meantime that's just not as, how do I put it? It's just not as cheap looking, just because this one steering wheel, the part that I did with the steering wheel just does not look that great. I did the whole ceiling and everything, and that turned out really nice, but it just did not turn out great. This is the first thing I tested on. I just don't love it. So we're gonna get to fixing that right now and getting this one taken off and a new thing putting on. I did also today order new door panels, and you might be asking, why'd you order new door panels? Well, first off, that one over there, you can see it's kind of cracked and broken right there, which I don't love. And the leather on that one, that vinyl leather, just did not fit that great on that door panel, and I just can't get it to fit well because it needs to be plastic riveted back in on the back side, which I do not have the ability to do that myself. So we ordered 2 new door panels that look like this one that have been all, you know, cleaned up and everything. So that's what we have coming in. Now, if I decide to get this done by that upholstery guy, you know, while they're off the truck and say, hey, can you do that? Maybe we'll do that. I don't know if that's something he can do or not, but I'm at least gonna ask him. Then, if he can do that, that would be amazing, and then it'll just tie in with the interior because he knows exactly what colors we used and everything, and then that would be great. You know, we have the tan here that'll tie into the tan down low, but then we have leather there that tie into the seats and, you know, the dash top and everything else. So, just a couple of things I'm trying to clear up just so you guys know, but other than that, for the most part, the truck is pretty much done the way you see it, other than we're doing new weather stripping and seals all the way around the entire cab. We're doing that probably next week. All the parts are on the way. Picking up new door sills / scuff plates. I think that's pretty much it, other than some minor horsepower modifications on the hood. Other than that, I think we're gonna be in pretty good shape. So we're gonna get to taking this steering wheel cover off right now and getting this new one put on. Well, if you come into the interior, you'll see I got new floor mats in the truck. They've got kind of like this tan with a wood grain. And then we did get our new steering wheel cover on there. This thing is freaking tight. It was a pain in the butt to get on there, I'm telling you. These things are so tough to get on, which is good because if they're hard to get on, they're gonna be a lot harder to get off. But we just gotta arm roll, wipe some stuff down. But other than that, interior's looking really nice. We're gonna get to doing that third brake light though right now. And it's done. We got that third brake light installed and it looks very, very nice. You can see the rear view here. Your smoked tails, now you get your smoked brake light up there. Basically when you pull this out, nothing will really happen because it's supposed to be flat when you pump the brakes. So let me see if I can show you here. I'm gonna try to pump the brake. You see that? It's essentially just a brake light. So when you pump the brakes, it'll pop on there. But other than that, it doesn't just, you know, turn on with a switch or whatever. But it does look pretty good. I'm going to be taking the truck and actually dropping it off to have the whole front end checked out and the rear end and just everything, just to make sure it's all good. That's something that we usually like to do with our trucks, you know, when they are up for giveaways before they get given away. We're gonna take this truck, we're gonna drop it off, we're gonna have them double check alignment, front end parts if it needs any front end parts, and just basically look through the truck and make sure that if it needs anything, they fix it and address it before the truck goes off to anybody else. The truck runs good, drives good, everything handles good. However, it's just one of those things that you might as well check it. Otherwise, you might regret not checking it, and then somebody gets a truck and they're like, dang man, front end shot on it in a couple weeks or whatever. So that's something we're gonna have done. So we're gonna end up taking this truck over right now and getting it dropped off to have completely looked through. In terms of Frosty, everybody's been wondering, where is Frosty? Where is Frosty? Well, I've been asking myself the same question. However, I did actually call the shop today and I said, hey, you know, like you said, by this Friday, truck would be good to go. We'll be good to go. They said truck should be all buttoned up today. When you see this video today, he said the truck should be all buttoned up by the end of the day. He's like, if I don't call you by the end of the day, call me, or I will call you first thing Monday morning and it'll be good to get picked up. And then we can finally put the 38s on it to see how those look so the winner can decide, hey, if they want the second gen, and if they do want the second gen, do they want 24s or do they want 16x10s and 38s that are just straight meaty monsters? But anyways, guys, that's kind of where we are with the whole truck stuff. But that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget, this giveaway is live. However, double entries, in other words, 10 entries for every $5 you spend. That deal ends January 26th at midnight, which is, I believe, Sunday at midnight, and then it's over. So if you have not done so, you might want to get entered. And if you're gonna enter, you might as well do it now because this is our best deal of the giveaway. There's not gonna be an entry deal that's better than this one. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. Hopefully you guys like the truck. Hopefully you guys are excited to be taking it home, one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy the video. I will keep you guys in touch. Lots coming in for this truck. I actually just ordered a huge load of stuff for this truck to get it all finished up and buttoned up. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.